Hello guys, welcome to Traders Therapy Session. I'm your host, Karo. I am so happy guys for you to land in this 2023 mentorship ICT made easy guys. You know all the way modified minds for trading. That's who we are. Guys, without wasting any time for this introduction, we tried to make something, how can I put it? We tried to make it easier for you to learn and to understand. So the main goal for this course, we kept the content videos short, guys. We keep the content videos short so that you can learn them easier, you can grasp them easy. If you have less concentration span, do not worry, we've got you right here. Without wasting any time, let's go to course overview so that you can see or you can get an idea of what will be happening this year, guys. This is 2023 mentorship. Guys, we have we have six phases for this mentorship that we are going to focus on. This is not everything that ICT teaches, but these are the things that matters. And please listen carefully. I'm not saying that the other things that are not shared here, they do not matter, but this is what will build our ICT Made Easy 2023 mentorship. So please let us focus on this and take notes when necessary. You will see as we move on how this will be made easy for you guys. Without wasting any time, we're trying by all means to keep these videos under 10 minutes. So let's go to an introduction. What do we expect to see here, guys? First thing first, market directions. We need to establish our trends. So there are two ways that we are going to deal with this thing, guys. Recent trend, where we'll be focusing on H1 and H4, and we'll take the previous 30 days, 20 to 30 days to establish our trend. You will see when we get to the example or to the content, to the teachings of that. Then we have another, this is my favorite, guys, current trend. This is when you use only few candles to establish your trend, to identify your trend. And on my previous course where I shared for free, it's a retail course, but trust me, that course is still powerful, where I share the candlesticks anatomy. This was my favorite, guys. When I started learning the market, this is what I was interested in. So I hope I will give you what you deserve here. Then you will understand it too. And this also will help you with your daily buyers, because this will take this on mainly on higher time frames. So areas of liquidity, will focus on areas of liquidity, but you need to know the external range and the internal range, since those will be our areas of liquidity. And we have on that note, you also need to establish your highs and lows. Sorry for that. Under market direction, also we have liquidity sweep, so which we call it and fake out, others they call it liquidity grab, whatever it is, but you will learn about it. Then again, phase 2, you will have the reason behind the trend. Remember, we have established the trend. This is linear, guys. Please, you need to follow through. Do not jump over. You need to follow through, because this course is being set in a linear form. It's a continuation of everything until the end. So reason behind the trend, we are going to be a good negotiators, guys. For this is because there's always an expensive and discounted price. So we always need to buy on a discounted price, and we'll talk about that when we get there. Under that, we have an OTE. The reason why I abbreviated it as OTE, not writing it in full as optimal trading entry, is because we are not yet ready for an entry. We just have to get an idea what is an OTE. And an OTE, it's nothing but the good price, and a good price coming from a discounted price. So this is the reason why I'm saying this is just a continuation. It's a series on its own. Please do not jump, because the previous video informs the next video. So on phase 3, we have the real ceiling and real floor levels, guys. On retail trading, you have your support and you have your resistance, but Now we'll establish what is the real floor and what is the real ceiling, which will be our fair value gap and our order block. On order block, guys, we'll explain order block. We'll try to give you the real feeling and meaning of an order block. Hence, we've put one closed candle as an order block and the series of candles as an order block. Most traders, and especially SMC traders, they are missing the point when it comes to this one. So going forward, we have on phase 4, we have the beast behind the machine. That will be your time to trade, and that will be the models to use during the time, guys. So the time to trade, we have London session, we'll talk about the killer zone, and then we have New York morning session and the New York afternoon session. This will be the sessions where we'll look for our trades. Will be the session where we'll trade. Either I'll be trading a London, New York morning session, or New York afternoon session. I will not stay the whole day on the market, try to watch, see the entries, because I'll be doing nothing, to tell you the truth. Then we have the models. There are hundreds of models out there, but we'll be focusing on these models right here. And you are not forced to use all of this model. You can be happy using one model out of this. You will see which one suits you the best. Then you only look for this for the best model. Then you take the trade, I mean to say, based off that model. Then we have phase 5, which is last phase. Okay, under the model we have the power of 3. We have a breaker mitigation and QML structure, I mean to say. Then phase 5, that's where everything you learned here up to this point, up to phase 4, we want to put it together and see how it works. How are we going to do that? By backtesting, making market review, and I will also have to trade live with you guys so that you can see how it works, so that you can see all of this in action. Then lastly, after having to see this working, remember, you can have all this but not be profitable. And we are not promising profitability on this course. We are just promising you to see the market in a clear scope. Like the market in a... You will just have to see yourself. You will explain what you will see here. Then lastly, we'll have take your trading as a profession. That's when we'll discuss what? That's when we'll discuss the trading plan and the trading journal. Guys, without wasting any time, I'll see you on the next video. Remember, the goal is to keep these videos short as possible. But I'm urging you guys, please take a screenshot here. And as you take a screenshot, save this where you can see it every day. Print it if possible. Put it somewhere on your wall there, because this will help you identify the areas where you have problems. So you will see, you will go to this thing and you will always tick everything that you think you understand better. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Stay blessed.